First, write introduction to negative number. This is the chapter heading. Introduction to negative number. In previous classes, we have read about positive number. Positive number. First, you have to know the natural number. Write down the natural number. What is natural number? First, write down natural number. Natural, natural number. What is natural number? Counting numbers start from 1. Write down. Counting numbers start from 1. Counting number start from 1 is called natural number. Counting number start from 1 is called natural number. Example: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. These are called natural number. And if we take 0 with the natural number, then we call this a whole number. What is whole number? Whole numbers. NUMBRS. Whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. These are whole numbers. And if we take the negative numbers with whole numbers, then that will be integer. Integers. What is the integers? Integers are starting from negative, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. These all are integers. These all are integers. Yes, 0 is greater than all negative integers. Look this carefully. In integers, there are 3 parts. Minus, starting from minus, -3, -2, -1. Here is 0 and here is 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. These are negative integer. Negative integer. And this is 0, not negative, not positive. And it is positive. POSITIV, positive integers. There are 3 divisions of integers. One is negative integers, 0 and positive integer. Write down negative integers and there is 0, there is no need anything, right? And positive integer. These are 3 types of integers. Okay. And in negative integers, in this chapter we will introduce about negative integers. See carefully this picture. You are standing on the ground floor at M. This is ground floor at M. And you want to go up on the first floor. Want to up on the first floor, which is 12 steps above the ground floor. Then after some time, if you want to go down to the basement, which is again 12 steps from the ground floor. This position is 0. And if you go down, then this position will be minus. This is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10, -11, -12. This is down. Down means negative and up means positive. plus 2 plus 4, 2 step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. The counting numbers going up are called positive integers, and the numbers going down are called negative integers. Okay. Positive integers, integers, and going down are called negative integers, integers. Positive as well as negative counting number along with 0 are called integers. I think here will be number, positive number, positive numbers and negative number. Positive as well as negative numbers along with 0 are called integers, integers. Okay. What is the total distance between L and M? Here is L and here is M. What will be the total distance? This part is 12 and this part also is 12. 12 and 12. Total 24. The total distance between L and M is 12 plus 12. 12 plus 12, that is 24. If you count from here, the distance is 12 meter or 12 meter or 12 steps, and here is also 12. This is 12 and this is also 12. 12 unit, 12 unit. Therefore, total distance from L to M is, total distance between L and M is 12 plus 12, that is 24. Okay. Total distance between L and M is 24 units. The numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 together with the new numbers minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 form the integers, where the natural numbers 1, 2, 3 dot dot are called positive integers and minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 are negative integers. Okay, 0 is neither positive nor negative. Next, exercise 3A. Write the opposite of the following statement. What is the opposite of the word below? What is the opposite of the word below? What will be the opposite of the word below? Above. Therefore, the answer will be 70 km below sea level. The opposite will be 17 km above sea level. Above 17 kilometer above sea level. You have to write the opposite of 17 kilometer below sea level is 17 kilometer above sea level. Okay. Next B, 14 kilometer above water level. What will be the opposite? 14 kilometer below water level. Write down. Number C, a gain of rupees 50. What is the opposite of gain? Loss. Opposite of gain is loss. Therefore, you have to write a loss of rupees 50. Number C, a loss of rupees 50. And what about D? 305 kilometer north of Delhi. South of Delhi, right? 305 kilometers south of Delhi. Opposite of north is south. Similarly, E, increase of rupees 25 in salary. Right. Opposite of increase is decrease. Opposite of increase is decrease. Decrease of rupees 25 in salary. Next, number F. A loss of rupees 30. What is the opposite of loss? A gain. A gain of rupees 30. Number G. A bank deposit of rupees 2,500. Opposite of deposit is withdrawal. WITH withdrawal. DRAWL withdraw. Withdraw. Write down only withdraw. Deposit opposite of deposit withdraw. WITHDRAW withdraw. One word. A bank withdraw of rupees 2500. AD opposite of AD is BC. Before Christ. Before Christ, yes. 15 BC. Opposite of AD is BC. Okay. Next. Use the number line given below to write the integers identified by the letter. Here, first look the number line. This is the number line. Here is A, B, C, D, E, F. A point is 0. Where is 0? Where is 0? Which point is 0? Hello? Okay, look this. I am I am drawing a number line. Look this carefully. There is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8. This is the number line. Okay. And I'm writing some points in it. I'm writing here A, this point is B, this point is C, this point is D, this point is E, F, G, H. What is the position of the point A? The point A will be A is -7, right? D is D is -2. G, the point G is G G6, and E is 2. Look this carefully. This is 0 and this is positive part and this is negative part. And this part is always greater than this part. No. Positive part is always greater than. This part is always less than. Negative part is always less than. If you go left, then you will be smaller. And if you go right, you will be bigger. That is bigger. Right side is bigger. Always going through right is bigger. And going through left is smaller. Then what we can write? -5 box -2. Here question is put greater than, less than, equal sign. Write down the question. Put greater than, less than or equal sign. Write down the question. Put greater than, less than or equal sign. Question number 1. Next question number 2. -4 -6. Question number 3. 8 box 2. Question number 4. 0 box -3. If you go right side, you will be bigger, and if you go left side, you will be smaller. Yes. -5 is in left side of -2. -5 situated at the left side of -2. Therefore, smaller. -4. -4 is right side of -6. -4 is right side of -6. And this arrow, look the arrow carefully. This. And this is greater than sign. This is greater than sign. Therefore, -4 is greater than -6. 8 and 2. This side. Left side. 2 is at the left side of 8. 2 is at the left side of 8. Therefore, less than. Look the head of arrow, and this is less than. 0 and -3. Greater than. 2 is less than, therefore 8 is greater than. 2 is smaller than 8, therefore 8 is greater than 2. 2 is smaller, 8 is greater. 0 and -3. -3 is situated at the left of 0. Left of 0. This is 0 and this is -3. Therefore, -3 is smaller and 0 is greater. 0 is greater, -3 is smaller. Okay. Write the predecessor and successor. Predecessor means before number. Predecessor means before. And successor means after, just after. Just before and just after. Predecessor means just before and successor means just after. Look the number line again. Predecessor of -3 is -4. Just before. Just before. And successor of -3 is -2. This is the negative number. And in case of positive number, successor of 3 is 4 and predecessor of 3 is 2. Okay, you have to see it carefully and be conscious about this. Write down. Write here the write down the predecessor of minus 25. Question number 4. Write down the predecessor. Predecessor. Write down the predecessor of minus 25 is, you have to write the predecessor and successor, and the successor successor, the successor of minus 25 is just before and after number, predecessor of minus 25 will be predecessor of minus 25 is minus 26 and is minus 24. Okay, now you can write this as question number 4 part 2 10. Write 10 here and put a box here and put another box here. Write down the predecessor and successor as. Predecessor of 10 is 9 and successor of 10 is 11. Okay, this is 9 and this is 11. Next question number C. Put a box here and put another box here. This is minus 4. Write down the predecessor and successor. Question number C. 4C. Before a minus 4 is, what will be before a minus 4? Minus 5. Minus 3. Minus 300. Write down the predecessor and successor. First, think about the successor of 300. Successor of 300, and that will be the predecessor of negative minus 300. Think about successor of 300, and that will be the predecessor of minus 300. Just opposite. Successor of 300 is successor of 300. Only successor of 300. Successor of 300 is 301. And in negative number, and for the case of negative number, that will be the predecessor, and number negative 300 minus 1. Negative 301. That is minus 301. And what is the predecessor of 300? 299. And in negative case, that will be the successor and negative number before 299. Okay. Write down for the case of 1. Number E. Number E. Yes. Predecessor will be 0 and successor will be 2. Right. And For the case of 0, -1, and successor is 1. That's only 1 or +1. Now question number 5a. Write all the integers which lie between the following: +6 and -3. Then you have to write the integers lie between +6 and -3 are. Write the answer as the integers lie between +6 and -3 are. Then you have to write the integers. The integers lie between +6 and -3 are. Write down the answers. Yes, +6 and -3. Look the number line. Then you can decide easily. Between +6 and -3. Between +6 and -3. The integers will be, you have to write from -2. -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to write, start from -2. Write down. Between -3 and 6. Don't write -3 and 6. Between +6 and -3, then no need to write these two numbers. -3 and 6. Write these numbers. Write down. -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't write -6 and -3 because the question is between. Okay. The answer will be -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is the answer. This is the answer. These are the answer. Next. The integers. Question number B. This is question number A, and this is question number B. 0 and +5. The integers that lie between 0 and +5. Write down the full sentence. Always write the full sentence. The integers lie between 0 and +5. Always write the full sentence and write the complete answer. The integers lie between 0 and +5 are 1, 2, 3, and 4. Next, question number C. The integers lie between +2 and +9 are. Yes, write down all the integers. Write down all the integers. Do the next one. in question number 7, look this once again. The absolute value of minus 5. What is the absolute value? The only numerical value. That is only the digit, only the numerical. That is 5. This is true. Okay. Absolute value means only the numerical value. That is this value. That is 5. And this is true. Okay. That the absolute value of minus 5 is 5. Absolute value of minus 5 is 5. This is true. Minus 10 is greater than 4. This is false. Minus 1 is the successor of 0. Number E. Minus 1 is the successor of 0. Minus 1 is the predecessor of 0. This is false. Number B. The opposite of 5 is minus 5. This is true. Minus 5 is the successor of minus 4. Look the number line. Minus 5 is the successor of minus 4. False. Minus 5 is the predecessor. Therefore, this is false. Minus 4 equal to 4. This is false. G. Integers with negative sign are smaller than integers with integers with a negative sign are smaller than integers without a negative sign. Right. This is true. The opposite of 0 is minus 0. False. There is no opposite of 0. 0 is not negative, not positive. Okay. Next to question number 8. Exercise 3B. Using the number line, write the integer which is 4 more than 5. Here you have to use the number line. Look this. First draw number line. First draw number line. Okay. Write here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. 4 more than 3. 4 more than 5. 4 more than 5. Then you have to extend this line. Minus 9, only 9, 10, 11, 12 and so on. Both side arrow. 4 more. First start from 0 and this is 4. 4 more than 5. No. First you have to mark 5. 4 more than 5. First mark 5. This is 5. And then mark 4 more. 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then draw a line from 0 to this. This is 9. That is plus 9. There are 4 more than 5. This is equal to plus 9. This is the answer. Okay. Next number B. 6 more than minus 3. 6 more than minus 3. 6 more than minus 3. 6 more. Look this carefully. 6 more than minus 3. First mark minus 3. Minus 3 to 0. This is minus 3. Okay. And 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you have reached plus 3. So 6 more than minus 3, that is equal to plus 3. Okay. No need to draw this line. Next, 6 less than minus 5. 6 less than minus 5. 6 less than minus 5. Then you have to extend the number line. Yeah, you have to extend the number line. Minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, this is minus 10, minus 11, minus 12. Okay, 6 less than minus 5. First, mark minus 5. This is minus 5. And 6 less. That means you have to move left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is, this point is minus 11. It is minus 11. Okay. Try the next. Question number 2. Add the following integers using number line. 9 plus minus 3. 9 plus minus 3. Yes. 9 plus minus 3. Plus means move right side. Move right side. But here is minus 3. Then you have to move left. First, move 9 steps. This is plus 9. This is plus 9. Using number line. This is plus 9. Then minus 3. Then you have to move left because here is minus. Move 3 step left. 1 step, 2 step, 3 step. And finally you reached at 6. This is plus 6. Therefore the answer is plus 6. You have to do in this way. Okay.